Hello students, this is Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can score marks by learning mathematics through concepts. We are going to see exercise set 1.1 from CBSE Class 9 Mathematics textbook, that too new textbook. Chapter 1 is orienting yourself, the use of coordinates. In the previous video, we were seeing about locating the points, how to locate the points. In this also, we are going to see that only, but some real life questions we are going to see. That is statement sums in other way. Okay, now let us go to that one. Here we have seen in the previous video itself, this Raymond's room with points O, A, B, C marking its corners. The X and Y axis are marked in the figure. Point O is the origin. Okay, just before going to the questions which are given down, let me recall what is that coordinate of this point S3. We'll write like this, no coordinate. What you have to see along x-axis, you have to see it is 6.5 units. Yeah, nearly here 6.3 or 6.5. Let it be 6.5 and it is 8. So it is 6.5 comma 8 units. So likewise, in this all the coordinates you can write. What about the coordinate B2? What about coordinate B2? It is on the line y-axis. So it is 0 comma 4. Why? Because 0 coordinate, that is x coordinate, is 0. Now let us go to questions. I hope you can plot the points, any points, whatever W2, W3, W4, whatever it is being asked here, you can enter. I feel so. You can write the coordinates. Using the above figure, these following questions are asked. Now let us see first question. If D1R1 represents the door to Rian's room, here is D1R1, this is the door to Rian's room. Okay, now how far is the door from the left wall? That is y-axis. From here, how much distance it is? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write it is how far means it is 8 units. See, they didn't give any units, so we are taking it as 8 units, centimeter, meter, feet, like that. They didn't give. We'll take 8 units, but for this question alone, I recommend you to consider feet, because here we are using normally feet. So according to that, you consider, because house doors, school doors, almost all the things we are using the feet only. Okay, next one. How far is the door from the x-axis? From x-axis, how much door? No, there is no. From x-axis, it is 0. 0 units, because it is on the door itself, so it is 0. So what you can say, the coordinate of this one is 8 comma 0. Why? X is 8, y is 0, so y coordinate is here 0. Next, what are the coordinates of D1? Unknowingly, I wrote the coordinates. What are the coordinates of D1? It is 8 comma 0. Okay. Next one. If R1 is the point 11.5 comma 0, yes, it is correct, 11.5, because it is in between only, between 11 and 12. So it is 11.5 comma 0. 0 is y, because there is no height at all, y-axis. Then, do you think this is comfortable width for the room door? For the room door, this is comfortable for the width. Yes, it is comfortable. Why it is comfortable? Because 3 feet, I am saying 3.5 feet we will consider. 3.5 feet means it is comfortable. If it is 3.5 meter, no. Your room, house itself, sometimes it will be 3.5 meter only width totally. 3.5 meter means 1 meter is 3 feet nearly. So that means 3.5 means 10 to 10 feet, 10 feet to 11 feet, that is one big room size. Okay, no, it is not possible. Is it sufficient? That means it is not meter, it is feet only. Okay, do you think this is a comfortable width for a room door? Yes, it is comfortable. Yeah, we can enter and go and come back. It is comfortable. But is it is 1 feet? No, not comfortable. See, listen, my dear children. Here they are giving diagram and asking the question. This question won't be the same. The diagram won't be the same. They will give different diagram and different measurements. From that you have to read, find out and generalize that concepts and answer. Suppose they didn't give anything here, meter, feet. Just you yourself write it. 3.5 feet is enough for a door, because all are here our Indian teachers only. It won't be in meter or yards or like US what they are using. It will be in feet only. Okay. If a person in a wheelchair wants to enter the room, will he she be able to do so easily? Yes, 3.5 meter is okay. Our door, you see, it will be only 3 feet only, 2.5 to 3 feet. 3.5 means it will be wider, so a wheelchair can enter. Suppose it is 2 feet, no, not possible. The chair itself will be 2.5 meter nearly, so not possible. Next one, if B 0 comma 1.5, where is B? Yes, here B 1 0 comma 1.5, 0 comma 1.5, and B2 0 comma 4. Yeah, this one 0 comma 4 represent the ends of a bathroom door. Is the bathroom door, now bathroom door is this one. How much? It is here, from here to there, from B1 to this one. Okay, 1 to 2.5 feet. So bathroom door is 2.5 feet, it is there. It is sufficient for walking, but wheelchair, will it enter? No, it won't. At least it must be 3 feet to 3.5 feet to enter. Is the bathroom door narrower or wider than the room door? This is the room door. This is the bathroom door. Narrower means what? Smaller. Is it smaller or larger? It is smaller. Bathroom door is smaller than the main door. You go and confirm all this in your houses also. Is the bathroom door larger or the main door larger? Like that, you go and check it. Now these many days we are seeing, we know, even then just confirm. Okay, my dear children, along with this one, exercise set 1.1 is over. Now in the below these exercises and after some text, think and reflect. Some questions are given. What you learned and what you thought and what you are going to write it about this and all. Now think and reflect. Page number 5, question number 1. What are the standard widths for a room door? Look around your home and in school. So what I said now, it can be how much? Okay, say it can be 2 to 3 feet. 2 to 3 feet. That's all. 2 to 3 feet. Very important. Write feet. Okay. Next, if not, you write in centimeter. 100 centimeter. 2 feet, 3 feet means it is nearly 100 centimeter. You write it in centimeter also. If you can, you write it. So we will use feet. So use it 3 feet or 100 centimeter. You learn about feet also. Okay. How much is 1 feet? 1 feet equal to what? 1 feet is around 30 centimeter. Not exactly 30 centimeter. So around, okay, APP, I can say approximately 30 centimeter. Next one. Are the doors in your school suitable for people in wheelchairs? That everyone should write your own answer only. When you are writing the exam hall, you see your door and say whether it is yes or no. That is the answer. Now you see your door, minimum 2.5 is needed. If it is 2.5 feet, that means nearly 100 centimeter. It is there means yes, they can enter. If not, they cannot enter. It is not sufficient for a wheelchair, like that you do. Next, think and reflect from page number 7. What is the x coordinate of a point on the y axis? So for this, I need to draw x and y coordinate. What is the x coordinate of the point on the y axis? Suppose a point is here on this y axis. How you will denote this one? It is 0, 3. Yes, that's all. So a point on the y axis will be of the form 0, y. Okay. Now, next question. Is there a similar generalization for a point on the x axis? This is called generalization. This is a particular point 3. Because 1 to 3, so 3 units, therefore 0, 3. Here 5 means 0, 5. In general, you will write it as 0, y. Likewise, for this point or any point on this one, what you will write means x, 0. Yes, this is the generalization. Now let me go to think and reflect from page number 7. what is the x coordinate of a point on the y axis? I wrote x coordinate here. Yes, this is x and this is y. Now we have to mark the points 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, what is the x coordinate of a point on the y axis? What is that? This is y axis. On this y axis, how it will be? It will be 0, 3. Why 0, 3? X is not there because along this one there is no x distance. So it is 0, 3. In general, what you will write? It is 0, y. In general, you will write this as 0, y. Now, what is the next question? Is there a similar generalization for a point on the x-axis? Yes, there is a similar generalization. What is that? Any point on the x-axis will be of the form x, 0. This is 0, y means here x coordinate will be there, but y coordinate will be 0. Yes, that's all. Next one. Does the point q, y, x ever coincide with point p, x, y? Yes, they're asking y, x and x, y, will they coincide or not? Coincide means what? Same point. Are the points same? Yes, now let me see this one. 5, 2, I will take 5. Where is 5? Here is 5. 2. Okay, don't want. 3, 2 I will take. Here is 3, 2. Why I don't want this I said because here some thing written already. That's why I am taking this point. It is 3, 2. It is 3, 2 and 2, 3. 2 here, 3, 2 along y-axis. 3 along x-axis. Next, say here this is 3, 2. 3, 2. Next one is 2, 3 along x-axis 2 and y-axis 3. Here is 3, 2. Sorry, 2, 3. Here is 2, 3. Are the points both same? No, the points are not same. Therefore, what you can say? P of y, x ever coincide with the point P, x, y. Justify your answer. But remember, one point is there. That point will be the answer for the next question. If x not equal to y, then x, y not equal to y, x. Okay, they themselves gave the clue. X, y equal to y, x if and only if x equal to y. What is meant by x equal to y? This 3 and 2 both are same. That means what? Points are 1, 1. 2, 2. Okay, you mark x, y 1, 1. Y, x 1, 1. That will be here only. Both are same. So, according to, for this question, this is wrong. For x, y and y, x are not equal for this type of number 2, 3 and 3, 2. But 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, it will come in a line. Like this, it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will come. Those points only satisfy this condition x, y equal to y, x when x equal to y. My dear children, are you able to understand? Please subscribe the channel and click the like button so that YouTube algorithm will recognize the video and pass on this to so many students. Also, click the bell icon so that you can receive when and all I am posting the videos. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye from your Pragasam sir.